What's up everybody, George here from GP Lifestyle. In today's video guys, I'll be showing you how to whiten your teeth naturally in one day. Got some work to do. And as always, there is a video summary with timestamps linked in the description if you guys want to skip the specific points. Let's get started. Now in the first part of this teeth whitening guide, we need to get our teeth and mouth as clean as possible. The reason why we want to do this is because we want to remove as much plaque and bacteria built up around our teeth that'll cause bad breath, it can cause cavities, and especially cause yellowing of your teeth, which a lot of guys really don't know, but this is what my dentist told me. Flossing can be good for whitening your teeth. Now the type of floss that you use doesn't matter. I like these waxy, minty floss. You can use a water floss, so just make sure you get into the gum line and pull and really get in there and do a good thorough job. Take your time here, it's not a rush. You want to be as thorough as possible because we're trying to get results here in one day. Now the second part is to brush your teeth. Now it is obviously a lot more effective to use a electric toothbrush than it is a manual toothbrush, but if you have a manual toothbrush, that'll work fine. Use any old toothpaste that you have. Now if you have a toothpaste infused with baking soda like the Arm & Hammer one that I'm using, that's going to do an even better job at whitening your teeth because this cuts back on any yellowing that has been chilling on your teeth for like forever. Now that that's done, go ahead and rinse your mouth thoroughly with water because in step number 2, in getting your mouth as clean as possible, it's going to sound disgusting, but you're actually going to swish and rinse with coconut oil. I know it sounds disgusting and it feels slimy and gross, but it is great for helping you kill bacteria and plaque that cause yellowing of your teeth. And what this essentially does is, since we already brushed and flossed our teeth, we broke up the bacteria and plaque in between your teeth. The coconut pulling is going to get in there and try to remove as much dirt and bacteria, not dirt, plaque and bacteria that have accumulated in your gums. You know, it sucks, but you have to do it because I said so. Now it's time for the most important part of this tutorial, and that is the actual teeth whitening thing that we're going to be using. Now my personal pick for getting whiter teeth instantly is activated charcoal. Yes, that weird black powder. It actually does work fairly well for getting brighter teeth temporarily. Long-term solution, it does work, but not as well as some of the more expensive products. Now this is really dirt cheap. You can pick it up for like 20 bucks. It's gonna last you a while. What we're gonna do here is we're going to put on like a half a teaspoon size amount onto your brush. I just like to dig it into the jar and just go at it, and you're going to brush your teeth with this dark demon powder for about 2 minutes. Typical brushing powder. I know we're brushing our teeth twice, but trust me, whiten your teeth after you brush them because it's going to do a lot better job. Now once this is done, your mouth should look like you have eaten out a demon. I don't recommend it, but this is a good thing. Now go ahead and thoroughly rinse out your mouth, and you're actually going to notice, you might already see that your teeth are appearing a little bit brighter than usually. This is good. This is that change that we want in that single day. Now that that is done, what we're going to do is we need to thoroughly rinse and clean out our teeth. Now if you have any whitening pens from any older teeth whitening kits like I do, you can use a whitening pen to really hammer it in. If you don't, just go ahead and rinse it out with water and get a dry toilet tissue and try your best to brush off any excess powder. Now if you've been using charcoal powder for any period of time, you will notice that these do get into your gums and they can get stuck and have that black residue. That's why I recommend you rinse 2 to 3 times and drink a lot of water throughout the day so you can really get that out of your system. There you guys have it, how to whiten your teeth naturally in one day. And this is completely safe to do. There's no sensitivity issues, and everything we use here is 100% natural. So if you're vegan or into that type of stuff, yay! Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel because I'm doing my best here to bring you the most amount of value without putting ads in the middle of the video. We're gonna do a video about men's lifestyle YouTubers doing that. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.